Tall ship cruise that promises the opportunity to climb the rigging brings out the pirate in all of us. Suddenly we're all quoting Captain Jack Sparrow, and the kids have even opted to wear stripy t-shirts and bandanas. Anyway, this day out in the harbour is one that even the fussiest of kids would approve of. And we actually had one of those with us. We set sail from the rocks with a jovial crew full of jokes and sailing facts to impress the kiddies. And they've soon got a little Pied Piper following of kids chasing them with questions, eager to help pull ropes and explore the ship. While some of us climb the rigging, the rest of us get to play with guns. I'm now my son's hero for organising this outing. Not real guns, of course. Semi-automatic shotguns reconfigured as laser guns. We get to shoot plastic clay pigeons fired from the stern of the ship, which some poor guy then has to chase around in a tinny and collect. This is an eco-friendly ship, no plastic pollution.
4-1-3-2-5. Everyone hit it once, but give Matt a round of applause. Chris B. He scored a final score of 27 points, 10 ahead of the opposition.
A barbecue lunch is served, while some of the others are still climbing the rigging, and for those of us who have a bar tab, unlimited bubbly, beer and wine.
Here we go, another practice shot. Here we go, reload, word play. Forward, ready. And pull. Ready, switches forward. Load up, guys, load up, switches forward. Ready. And pull.
How was it? Yeah?
Pull.
Yeah.
And you might coach out about 8 of them. Oh yeah. Well, I cleared them up. Copper.
Yeah, it might be,
Ah, yes.
Larry, how was it?
Kiana? Good?
All in all, a pretty impressive day out. Good food, good fun, great views.